Prepare hummingbird nectar. We need sugar, water, and a measuring cup. First, take 1 cup of sugar and 3 cups of water. Mix well until sugar dissolves completely in water. Take the sugar water in a microwave safe bowl and keep warm for 2 minutes. Take it outside and let it cool for some time. After it gets cool, filter it to remove any dust particles. You can use hot water also if you don't have a microwave. And now fill it into a hummingbird feeder. And hang it near any flowering plants or trees to attract birds. You can see hummingbirds enjoying the nectar. To attract hummingbirds, don't use any artificial colors or honey. It harms the birds. Thanks for watching!